Select Image, set parameters, then tap Start. Tap AlgoSketch, create it, engrave it. Tap AlgoType, enter text, adjust size. Support for all image formats in Image Library. Support SD card, USB disk, AlgoLaser app, Lightburn, and Laser GRBL. From beginner to pro, all needs covered. Drag images, then fine-tune to drop it. Work on 300 plus material from wood to coated metal. Choose Invert color to make clean results. All supported languages updated to the latest version. Connect to Wi-Fi and click firmware to detect update. An error occurs. A clear prompt appears. Enable interrupt recovery to resume engraving effortlessly. AlgoOS brings simple, smart, and powerful engraving at your fingertips. Start and create your masterpiece today.